up, YouTube? I have not done a video like this in a really long time. Today, I'm going to do one of those mindset videos I keep talking about, and we're going to be talking about list building and relationships. Stay tuned, it's coming right up. Before we do get to that, my name is Eric Hammer, and if you are new to the channel, you don't know that I am known as the man with the hat. Now, why is that? Oh, that's because I wear a fedora everywhere that I go, and I am one of the few people who can pull one successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, by the way, if you are new to the channel, feel free to skip ahead. I know that my jokes can be kind of stale, just like the day-old bread that you get from the local bakery. Hey, it's still bread. Works. Anyway, the way... What I do here is two things. I review software and info products and then make money on my niche. And why is that? Well, that's because I like to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Really, Bart? Every day? He does it all the time. He's so annoying, that guy. I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
He's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Why, thank you, Liz Lemon. You see, she also says the same thing every day, but I love Liz. I can't be mad at her. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon to be notified when I drop new videos. Because, frankly, subscribe, it doesn't mean much here on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below. Let's get right into this. Okay, so what I want to talk to you today about is list building and building a relationship with your list specifically. Now, a lot of people get this wrong. And it's a mistake that I used to make when I first started list building as well. So the idea is basically that you can build yourself an email list. You can buy solo ads, or you can create a product and sell a good product and then get people on your list that way. The trouble is that your list can get what's called burnt out. And what does that mean, burnt out? Well, basically, if all you do is send one offer after another, after another, after another, and I've seen a lot of marketers who do this, by the way. They'll send one offer after another, after another, after another, and they don't even have any consistency in their offers. They'll send like one offer one time and one offer another time. People get bored, They're like, dude, why are you pitching me 5 different things in a single day, And there's no value there. There's no reason for people to see it. Okay. It's just like, oh, this is the latest offer. This is the latest and greatest offer. Dude, like, why would I care? Nobody cares. Okay. Now, a lot of people make a mistake when they say this and they say, oh, you have to offer value. They think that means you have to give away free stuff all the time. And, I do occasionally give free stuff, but I've moved away from it more and more to offering a different kind of value. And, value doesn't necessarily have to come in the form of free stuff. And so let me explain what I mean by that. Think about Consumer Reports. Okay, Consumer Reports is a magazine which a lot of people pay good money to subscribe to. It's like $20, $30 a year, something like that. They don't take advertising dollars. They only take money from their members. All right. And basically, Consumer Reports, the reason people buy is because they trust them to provide valuable information about products they might want to buy. And they're not giving anything for free. They don't even give their information for free. They charge you for the information, and then basically it's information about things you might want to spend money on. Why would anybody buy that thing? After all, they're not getting any value, right? Well, they are getting value, and that's the big point here. This is the big takeaway. This is the mistake that a lot of people make. Okay, when I put together an email to my list, I'm not just trying to offer you a product for sale. First of all, any product that I will offer to my list, I have personally checked it out. I've looked at the software or the course. I've made sure it actually does what it says on the box. Okay, that's a really important thing because I know a lot of people don't do that. There was one product that I reviewed, I guess about 2 or 3 months ago, from a major marketer. And it was a funny thing for me when I saw this thing because this guy had actually what was a really interesting product. I'll go ahead and leave a link above over here to that particular review because it's really interesting to see. He had a really, really cool course there. and he clearly didn't understand the course. And pretty much every other marketer who reviewed it didn't have any clue what the heck the thing was about. Okay, because the sales page and the actual materials uh, uh, in the members area had nothing to do with the course. It was a really cool course about making money from what are called owner financing. Um, Sales of homes. It's kind of complicated to explain, but it's really a very simple method of making money. And once I sat down and actually looked it over, I said, wow, this is really awesome. Okay. But everyone else who reviewed it was saying, this is a piece of crap. This is a piece of crap. Or they just blindly said, oh, this is wonderful. This is the best thing ever. They didn't bother doing any work of actually offering value, of saying, hey, I'm providing real useful information, because they didn't put in the time to actually go through the thing and see what it was all about. And most marketers, unfortunately, don't do that. They will either say, oh, I'm going to offer value by offering a lot of bonuses, which is great. Bonuses are great, don't get me wrong. Or they're going to say, oh, yeah, look, these people are so stupid, they're going to buy whatever I tell them. No, go show them why something is valuable. And that's really what this is all about. Okay, that's what I try to do with my list, is offer genuine value. So when I send an email out about a product, typically there's going to be a review video. I might be a day or two behind schedule, because review videos do take me time to make. It's a lot of work to make them. But I always try to make sure now that I do a review video, that I put together a congruent bonus package. And I very rarely will send out something for a freebie. I sent out, for example, Robinhood a while back. I'll leave a link above over here for that as well. But that's pretty rare that I do a freebie. And Robinhood, I do have an ulterior motive. Full disclosure: when you go ahead and get a free stock from Robinhood, I get a free stock also. We both benefit. So it's not like I'm getting nothing out of it but goodwill. But basically, the reason that I do this is because I believe that the value is actually that I'm providing an in-depth review. I'm taking the time to look at products that you may want to buy and to say, this is worth buying, this is not worth buying. Okay. And I will take the time to really go through things. I will never, ever, ever just offer product without actually looking at the product. I used to do that. I made a big mistake doing that, and I will never do it again, ever. Okay, I will take as much time as it takes. If it takes me hours to go through a course, I will take the time to go through a course. I will take the time to go through everything and make sure that it does what it says, because that's my value to you. And that's what you should be imparting when you are trying to build an email list. You should be providing value to people. If you provide value, and it doesn't have to be value that you're giving something for free, you can also provide value in the form of an in-depth review and information that is worth a whole lot. And it's actually worth more than some stupid PLR crap that you went and got and gave away for free. So I hope you found the video helpful. Please go ahead and subscribe, and stay tuned for more of my in-depth reviews, which I hope you do find helpful.
You're still here? It's over. Go home. Go.